Bro, I built abs right from my bed. So, what's your excuse? These exercises will help you burn belly fat fast. Say goodbye to that stubborn stomach and build a strong, defined core. Stick with it for a few weeks and you'll start seeing real results. Alright, no more talking. Let's get into it. First, exercise. Lie on your back with your arms by your sides and legs straight. Engage your core, lift your legs up. Bring your knees toward your chest and slightly lift your hips off the ground. Slowly return to the starting position and repeat. Second, exercise, keep your back straight, arms at your sides and lift your feet off the ground. Your thighs should be vertical. Now extend your left leg out to about a 45-degree angle while keeping your core tight. Bring it back and switch to the right leg. Alternate side to side. Third exercise, lie on your right side. Extend your right arm on the floor for support. Place your left hand behind your head. Bend your right knee and position it slightly back. Now engage your obliques. Lift your upper body and bring your left knee toward your left elbow. Slowly return and repeat. Take a 15-second rest. Fourth exercise, switch to your left side. Extend your left arm on the floor. Place your right hand behind your head. Bend your left knee. Now contract your obliques, lift your upper body and bring your right knee toward your right elbow. Control the movement and repeat. Fifth exercise, lie on your back, arms by your sides. Lift your legs straight up toward the ceiling. Now spread your legs apart into a V shape. Then use your lower abs to bring them back together at the top. Imagine drawing a triangle with your legs. Repeat the movement. Final exercise, stay on your back, arms at your sides. Lift your legs a few inches off the ground. Keep them elevated. Now open your legs as wide as you can. Feel the tension in your lower abs. Then bring them back together without touching the floor. Repeat this controlled motion. And that's it, you just crushed today's core workout. Stay consistent, that's how you win. See you in the next video.